I went on our Facebook app for our neighborhood and asked for a recommendation for gutter repair and roofing repair companies, and several people recommended Guardian. And so I called, and so far our experience has been fantastic. We got an appointment set up right away. I think that the tech was out within 3 or 4 days of us calling. They were very great with communication. They called 15 minutes before he was scheduled to arrive and let us know he would be here. He came out and introduced himself to myself and my husband and went up on our roof and took a whole bunch of pictures and videos, which was really great because when he came back down to share what the problem was, it wasn't just him trying to explain it to us, but he was able to show us what the issues were and talk us through it. So he was professional, he was friendly. He actually lives here in the nearby neighborhood, which was kind of funny because he was talking about his home as well and some of the work he was doing. He came up with 2 different solutions within 2 different price ranges, went over the one he would recommend, but there were multiple options that would fit our budgeting needs, which was fantastic. We picked the one that we felt would do the best in solving the problem, and then they're coming out hopefully next week to get it all set up. And we're very excited to not have an ice rink in our driveway anymore.